Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to tell you how can you increase your breast size and as well as reduce saggingness of the breast. So our first method is coconut oil massage. For this you use any coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in antioxidant as well as it increases your breast size and improves your sagging breast. Coconut oil has many tissue supporting agents. By massaging daily twice in a day, once in morning and once in evening, you can see result in 1 week. Second is olive oil massage. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and it moisturizes breast tissues and facilitates breast tissue growth and development. Massage daily twice a day, once in morning and once before going to sleep. Next is fenugreek oil or methi oil massage. It provides estrogen and progesterone properties which increases breast tissue growth and development. This oil is most effective in increasing your breast size and as well as it reduces your sagging breast. Follow any of these methods daily for 1 week. You will be able to see the changes. You can use grounded paste of methi or soaked water for massaging as well if you do not get the oil. I hope you have liked this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel.